ओ ट्रिपल एस तरफ टीजीटी आर्ट्स पाई नोटिफिकेशन आसी जाइए तार अप्लाई डेट रोचे 30 डिसेम्बर रु रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट हो जाउची। तो आम देखा यार सिलेबस विषय टीजीटी आर्ट्स रो सिलेबस दुईटी स्टेज रे एग्जाम हबार अच्छी प्रिलिम आउ मेन एग्जाम दुईटी एग्जाम प्रिलिम आउ मेन दुईटी जाक एमसीक्यू टाइप रे हो ओएमआर रे ही पारे और कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट भी ही पारे। प्रिलिम रे दुईटा पेपर अच्छी 100 मार्क रो परीक्षा हो समय दिया जाउछि 90 मिनिट 1.5 घंटा समय दिया जाउछि दुईटा पेपर 1 पेपर 2 माइनस मार्किंग 0.33 तापर स्टेज 2 रे नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 100 फुल मार्क्स 100 एठी भी टाइम 1.5 घंटा दिया जाउछि एथिरे केवल पेपर 2 रो एग्जाम हो किंतु प्रिलिम रे होतला पेपर 1 और पेपर 2। तो हमें चलो देखिए पेपर 2 रे पेपर 1 और 2 रे कौन कौन सिलेबस मेंशन अछि। टीजीटी आर्ट्स पेपर 1 रे पुनी सेक्शन अछि सेक्शन 1 सेक्शन 2 सेक्शन 3 सेक्शन 4 सेक्शन 5 सेक्शन 6 सेक्शन 6 छटा सेक्शन अच्छी पेपर 1 रे छटा सेक्शन पेपर 2 रे सेक्शन 1 सेक्शन 2 सेक्शन 3 सेक्शन 4 पेपर 1 रे 6टी सेक्शन और पेपर 2 रे सेक्शन 4टी अच्छी। चलते देखी ना पेपर 1 रो पेपर 1 रो सेक्शन 1 विषय जनरल नॉलेज और करंट अफेयर जनरल नॉलेज रे करंट इवेंट्स ऑफ स्टेट ओडिशा नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल इंपोर्टेंस हिस्ट्री ऑफ ओडिशा इंडिया एंड इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट इंडियन एंड वर्ल्ड जियोग्राफी इंडियन पॉलिटी इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल डेवलपमेंट एवरीडे साइंस ये रही सेक्शन 1 रे। तापर देखिबा सेक्शन 2 रे अरिथमेटिक नंबर सिस्टम HCF LCM square and square roots cubes and cube roots percentage and averages simple interest and compound interest profit loss and discount partnership ratio and proportion ये थिला सेक्शन 2 जहाँ अरिथमेटिक रो आसीथिला। सेक्शन 1 जनरल नॉलेज एंड करंट अफेयर्स तापर सेक्शन 3 रे रीजनिंग एबिलिटी जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी लॉजिकल reasoning and analytic ability decision making and problem solving basic numeracy data interpretation section 4 english हमें देखले करंट अफेयर्स arithmetic reasoning ability section 4 english रे verbs tense modal active and passive voice subject verb agreement connectors types of sentence direct and indirect speech comparison articles noun pronouns preposition unseen passage 400 to 450 words in length with a variety of comprehension question। तापर देखिबा सेक्शन 5 जहाँ कंप्यूटर लिटरेसी basic computer literacy skills for use of ICT in classrooms तो एथिने वर्ड एक्सेल पावर पॉइंट ये सब पचरा जाई पारे concepts, terminology, and operations that relate to general computer usage, basic hardware of computer, common application, networking and internet, social networking, digital citizenship. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ section 5. Section 6, pedagogy, educational management, policies and evaluation for TGT Art, Science, Hindi and Sanskrit. Is section 6 ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ। ତ ଏଥିରେ ଚାଇଲ୍ଡ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଗ୍ରୋଇଂ ଅପ୍ ଯାହା ବିଡିରେ ଅଛି P2 P2 या P3 ଏଭଳିଆ ପର୍ସପେକ୍ଟିଭ ଅଫ୍ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ ବିଡିରେ ଅଛି। Child development process of growing up, growth and development, concept of difference and principles of development, factors affecting development, nutrition, intelligence, psychosocial, disease, injury, etc. Growth and development during adolescence, counseling service for adolescents, factors affecting different developmental aspects, cognitive, social Erikson theory, emotional and moral Kohlberg theory, language development, needs and problems at childhood and adolescence, approaches to understanding the nature of intelligence, psychometric approach, Thurston, Guilford, Gardner, information processing approach, Sternberg, cognitive development approach, Piaget, social constructive approach, Vygotsky. Learning process pedagogy, understanding the learning process, learning as a process and earn outcome approaches, humanistic, Carl Rogers, constructivist, Piaget and Vygotsky. Basic conditions of learning: readiness, maturation, motivation, task and methods, organizing learning, teacher-centric, learner-centric, learning-centric. Characteristics and process: critical pedagogy, concept, characteristics, process, stages, approaches. Addressing classroom diversity, using varieties of TLM, teaching learning materials. AV adds using context of the learner, using variety of activities while group learning, small group learning and self-learning. Learner in the context of inclusive education, educational management concepts, importance, scope and types of management. Democratic and autocratic, centralized and decentralized management structure at different levels: national, state, district, sub-district, BRCs, CRCs, SMCs and SMDCs. School development plan, concept, purpose, key action by headmaster, students, parent and SMDC, steps in planning for school development, annual and perspective plan, school management, role of headmaster, teachers and community, educational policies and program. Kothari Commission 1968, National Education Policy 1986, RT Act 2009, National Curriculum Framework 2005, National Education Policy 2020, SSA, RMSA, Samagra Shiksha. Assessing the learner, performance evaluation, assessment and evaluation. Assessment and evaluation in constructive perspective, concept, continuous and comprehensive evaluation, formative, summative and diagnostic assessment. Assessment and learning, assessment of learning, assessment for learning, assessment of learning, assessment for learning, assessment as learning, subject based learning in a constructive perspective. Assessment tools and techniques, projects, assignments, observation, teacher made test, self assessment, peer assessment, portfolios, rubrics. Test construction, steps and principles of test construction, development of blueprint, preparation of test items, standardized and teacher made test, recent developments in assessment, grading, assessment in co-scholastic area implementation strategy of continuous and comprehensive evaluation recommendation of national curriculum framework 2005। ये था टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड। फिर हम देखते हैं पेपर 2 जो कि मेन में पूछा जाएगा। पेपर 2 में है हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस, ग्रेट रूलर्स ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया, अशोका कॉन्क्वेस्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड मिशनरी एक्टिविटीज, खारवेल अचीवमेंट as mentioned in हाथी गुम्फा inscription, समुद्रगुप्त conquests, हर्षवर्धन conquests administration and religious activities, development of art and architecture during Maurya age, Gupta age and Kushana age, Kujul card pieces, Kanishka, development of literature and science in ancient India, administration during Delhi Sultanate with special reference to Balban, Alauddin Khilji and Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Mughal architecture and painting during reign of Akbar, Jahangir and Shah Jahan, rise of British power in India from Plassey, Battle of Plassey to Sipahi Revolt 1757 to 1856, Robert Clive and foundation of British Empire, administrative and judicial reforms of Warren Hastings, revenue reforms of Lord Cornwallis, that is permanent settlement, subsidiary alliance, reforms of William Bentinck's doctrine of lapse, growth of Indian nationalism 1857 to 1905, revolt of 1857, Sipahi revolt, development of press and literature, education, Woods Dispatch, ये सब, formation of political association IENC, Indian National Movement 1905 to 1947, Swadeshi Movement 1905, Non-Cooperation Movement 1920, Civil Disobedience Movement 1930, Quit India Movement 1942, Indian National Army, Partition and Independence, First World War and Russian Revolution, Causes and Consequences of First World War, Causes and Progress of Russian Revolution, Second World War, Causes and Consequences। फिर Political Science, Silent Features of Indian Constitution, Preamble, Fundamental Rights, DPSP, Fundamental Duties, Union Government, President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, Parliament, Supreme Court, State Government, Governor, Chief Minister, Council of Ministers, Legislative Assembly and High Court, Local Governance, Urban and Rural, Electoral Process and Election Commission, Indian Foreign Policy and its relation with neighbors, United Nations General Assembly, Security Council, Human Rights, Socialism, Liberalism, Democracy, Authoritarianism, Welfare State and Globalization, Kautilya, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru and B.R. Ambedkar। Section 2, Geography and Economics, Geography, Physical Geography of India, Physiography, Drainage System, Climate, Köppen's climate classification, research with special reference to India, types and classification, land resources, biotic resources, mineral, energy and water resources, various dam projects, agriculture and industrial resources, physical geography, first, second and third order landforms, development of landforms, work of rivers and rivers, wind and glaciers, interior of the earth, rock and their types, igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary, structure and composition of the atmosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, etc. Insolation and temperature, pressure, winds, humidity and rainfall, general relief of ocean floor, salinity and temperature of the ocean water, oceanic circulation, waves, tides, currents, globe and maps, basic features, types of maps, map scale, contours or relief features, concepts of latitude and longitude, international dateline, time zones, local and standard time। ये था ज्योग्राफी। Indian economy features and broad demographic characteristics, need and policies for facing the challenges of overpopulation, current challenges of Indian economy, poverty, types of poverty, measures of poverty, causes and consequences, policy and programs adopted for poverty eradication, remedies, unemployment types and measures of unemployment causes, types and measures of unemployment causes, consequences and programs adopted for reducing unemployment. Inflation, meaning and types, demand pull and cost push inflation, causes and consequences and measures taken to control inflation. Economic development, meaning and indicators, national income, physical quality of life index, human development index, concept and needs for sustainable development, money and banking, meaning types and functions of money, banking, commercial banks, meaning functions, credit creation by commercial banks, central banking, meaning and functions, monetary policy. Section 3, English. English comprehension and unseen passage in about 100 words. Questions testing factual understanding, inferential and interpretative aspects, including vocabulary and usage. A poem, neither very old nor very abstract, but a simple one. Questions testing factual understanding, referential, appreciative aspects, including vocabulary in context, grammar and usage. Testing of grammar usage in the following areas: preposition, direct and indirect speech, passive tense, identification of error in a sentence, phrasal verbs, clause patterns, punctuation, types of sentence, spelling, agreement of verbs with subjects, subject verb agreement, speaking, commonly mispronounced words, common errors, teaching English, importance of teaching English, learning English in the present context, objectives of teaching English, learning English with reference to language skills and soft skills, strategies of teaching learning English with special reference to National Curriculum Framework 2005, stages of planning for a text, pre-reading, file reading and post-reading, assessment of language skills, tools and techniques with reference to continuous and comprehensive assessment. Section 4, last section of paper 2, ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅବଧ ପରୀକ୍ଷଣ ପ୍ୟାସେଜ 150 ଗଦ୍ୟ ବିଶିଷ୍ଟ ଅନୁଚ୍ଛେଦ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ପାଇଁ 1 ନମ୍ବର ରହିବ। ଲେଖା ଓ ଲେଖକ ସାରଳା ଦାସ, ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଦାସ, ଉପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଭଞ୍ଜ, ଭୀମ ଭୋଇ, ଫକୀର ମୋହନ, ଗୋପାଳ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ପ୍ରହରାଜ, ଭବେନାଥ ମହାନ୍ତି। 7 ଜଣ ଲେଖକଙ୍କର ଗୋଟିଏ କୃତିର ନାମ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରାଯାଇ ଲେଖକଙ୍କ ନାମ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିଯିବ କିମ୍ବା ଲେଖକଙ୍କ ନାମ ଦିଆଯାଇ ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ 4ଟି ରଚନା ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଠିକ୍ ଉତ୍ତର ବାଛିବାକୁ କୁହାଯିବ। ପଦ ନିର୍ଣ୍ଣୟ, ଗୋଟିଏ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ବାକ୍ୟ ଦିଆଯାଇ ତହିଁରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ରେଖାଙ୍କିତ କରାଯାଏ। ଏପରି ବିଶେଷ୍ୟ, ସର୍ବନାମ, ବିଶେଷଣ ଏହାକୁ ଚିହ୍ନଟ କରାଯିବ। ଇତ୍ୟାଦି 5 ପ୍ରକାର ମଧ୍ୟରୁ 3 ପ୍ରକାରର 3ଟି ଚିହ୍ନାଇବାକୁ ହେବ। କୃଦନ୍ତ, ତଦ୍ଧିତ, ବାକ୍ୟ ପରିଚିତ, ସରଳ, ଯୌଗିକ, ଜଟିଳ, ମିଶ୍ର ରୂପ, ସାଧାରଣ, ଅଶୁଦ୍ଧି, ସନ୍ଧି, କାରକ, ବିଭକ୍ତି, ସମାସ, ରୂଢି, ଛନ୍ଦ, ଅଳଙ୍କାର, ଏକପଦୀକରଣ, ଅବଧ ପରୀକ୍ଷଣ। ତ ଏହା ଥିଲା TGT ଆର୍ଟ୍ସ